Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually here we can choose two different ways to do it. So first of all, we can block a number which is currently on our contact list, or we can do it using, let's say, dialer settings. Of course, I will show you both options. So let's begin with our contact list. Let's tap on the dialer. Go to your contacts and now let's find the contact you'd like to block. For example, this one. Simply tap on it. And all you have to do right now is simply choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. So let's do it. And here we've got block numbers option. So let's tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to block this number because you will no longer receive calls or text from it. And if you'd like to report it as a spam, just leave it like this. I don't want to do it, so I'm making sure that it is unticked. And now I can tap on block. As you can see, from now on this number is blocked, so it means that from now on we won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from the number. Of course, you can unblock it right now. Just tap on this three dots icon again, and here we've got unblock numbers option, so simply tap on it, and if you really want to do it, just tap on unblock, but let me leave it like this. And now let me show you the second option to block a number. And now it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. All you have to do right now is simply tap on the three dots icon again, which is right here. So let me do it and tap on the settings. As you can see here, we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter. And here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contact list. As you can see at the very top, we've got the unknown option. So after activating it by tapping on the switcher, you can block calls from unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn it off by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it turned on because it's quite useful. What's more, you can add a number manually. All you have to do is simply tap on add a number, and as you can see here, we've got the keypad, so we can manually add the number we want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, it also immediately applies and appears on our blacklist, so from now on we won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course, you can unblock it just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. And as you can see, both numbers immediately disappear, so it means that from now on all incoming calls and text messages will be received. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.